Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's J. Kales. Welcome tonight. This is nighttime for me. I'm making a cocktail. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I don't know if this has been done before, but I think I made this up because I made it up before a barbecue, and I freaking loved it. It was a hit with my girls. It's a little sneaky one though. It's so good. You know, take your time. Drink one, let it see. Drink two, chill out because it's sweet. Okay, so. Be careful with me. Okay, so I like that song. Okay, so anyway, so what we have some Prosecco. You can use any Prosecco. You can use champagne. You can use sparkling wine. I love Prosecco, so I'm using Prosecco. And I have Raspatas. So Prosecco Raspberry, and I made a raspberry simple syrup with fresh raspberries. That video is on here as well. It's just raspberries, water, sugar, bomb. That's it. It's simple. Okay. So the water is boiling here. And there I have 2 cups of water. So I'm going to put a cup and a half of sugar. Again, we're making simple syrup. So yes, it's a lot of sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and add the raspberries as well. Alrighty, because again, we're making raspberry flavor simple syrup. So I'm letting this baby go ahead and boil some more. I'm just mixing right now to dissolve the rest of the sugar with the water. And I'm letting these raspberries cook on in here for a minute. Let them boil, and then we're going to go ahead and take that baby out. Alright. Alright, stir. This is really easy, so we're already done. So we're going to go ahead and shut this off. Okay? And now that we have it shut off, we're going to go ahead and pour it into the bowl here. Nice raspberry simple syrup. Fresh raspberry simple syrup. And let it drain. Woo! That's it. It is a little hot now. So that's it. And this is the raspberry puree. So here we go. So what we're going to do first, we're going to pop the bottles because we'll be popping bottles. Okay. We're going to pop. That's a shame, y'all. It took me that long to find the doggone thing. I should have had this set up better, but it's okay. Okay. There we go. All right. I love wine. Jesus made wine. I mean, he didn't create it. He made it. So, y'all, you know what I'm saying? So, woo! Alrighty, so we have Prosecco, we have our Raspberry, and we have our simple syrup. Bam. All we're going to do, we're going to put our Raspberry first. Only need but so much. Then we're going to pour some of our Prosecco. Go. You all know what Prosecco, don't fill the glass. Put about halfway, let it, you know, settle, and then add more. Don't be cray. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add simple syrup now. So it has settled. Settle down. And now I'm going to go ahead and add a raspberry. Let it do its thing. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a lemon wheel inside of this baby. A lime wheel. I'm going to throw another raspberry. Again, this for a barbecue. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit more Prosecco. I like to fill my glasses, okay? But let me tell you the trick. When you have a filled glass, the trick is to pick it up without looking at it and you won't spill it. So pick it up. Sip that baby. Sip it again to make sure it was really that good. Do the nod of approval. And serve. Here you go. Very nice and simple. You know, you can share it with the man, but ladies, this is for you. Prosecco, Raspberry, fresh raspberry simple syrup. Layer that thing. You know what I'm saying? We put some raspberries, put some Prosecco. We put the simple syrup. We top it off with more Prosecco. We put some fruit in it. And we enjoy. And no, it's not super sweet. It's not Kool-Aid. I don't drink Kool-Aid, okay? What I am trying to say. All right. It's your girl, it's J. Kales again. Cocktail, mocktail, throw a piece of ice in there if you want, but it take up space for the Prosecco. It's up to you. This is chilled. I'm good with that. Alrighty, so again, it's J. Kels. Please go ahead and click subscribe, click the little bell, click all that little stuff. You know what I'm saying? This your girl. This your girl. Home girl, home chick, home cook, just be doing the thing. You know what I'm saying? Love me like I love you. And go ahead and click subscribe. It ain't gonna kill you. It ain't even gonna hurt a little bit. Thank you so much. Click subscribe. Peace.